Hey guys, and welcome back to G's Autos. Thank you so much for tuning in. Well, it's only 5 sleeps away before the new coilovers go into the Starlet. So we've got new BC Racing coilovers going into the Starlet, plus I've had a set of Sportivo, I think it's 2004 Corolla Sportivo rims. Had them refurbished, sprayed all new silver, look fantastic. And I've also got brand new rubber put onto those rims as well. So in preparation for the new suspension, I have put the car up on jacks and I gave all the wheel wells a really good clean. They're pretty filthy and they've come up absolutely fantastic. So the results are great. So this video is just a quick run through on what I did and to show you the before and after. And yeah, we dodged some hail a few times. We had 3 hailstorms. So here's some of the hail. The size of the hail that we got. So lucky for me, I had enough blankets and whatnot to put over the top of the car. But anyway, you'll see some of that. Anyway, check out the video, guys. If you like the clean job I did, give it a big thumbs up. Feel free to leave a comment. And coming up will be, I'm going to put new LED lights into the dash cluster, into the gauge cluster. And also we'll be doing the full video of how to install the BC Racing coilovers into the Starlet. So stick around for more, and there'll be another announcement coming up soon for the Starlet. Anyway, enough out of me. Watch the video. Hope you like it, guys, and I'll see you on the next one. So this is what I'm using today to do the wheel wells. No top secrets here. This is what I use all the time. A couple of cans of just general heavy-duty degreaser, just a soft bristle brush, and then two firmer bristle brushes. Say that 6 times. Alright, and then I've just got some general car wash in a gardening pressure pack, and then the good old gurney for really getting into it. And that's pretty much it, so let the work begin. Alright, as you can see, I've got the Starlet jacked up at the rear. The front is still on its wheels, but I'm going to start at the back. So this is what it looks like at the moment. Hopefully you can see that okay. Dirty, but not too bad. So I'm going to go through, scrub all these up, get it looking a lot cleaner before the new suspension goes in. I just don't want it going in, yeah, with a dirty, filthy background and wheel wells and all the rest of it. So I might take this off as well and clean it up, this little plastic guard, and give that a paint with some Rust-Oleum sound deadener just to clean it up, just improve the look of it. But that's how it looks at the moment. We'll go around the other side and have a look. And here's the passenger side, so pretty much identical story. So look, the car's it's in pretty clean condition underneath. I'll show you some footage underneath later on, but you can see one of the chassis rails has been smacked hard by something. I'm guessing that's happened when it's had a little bit of a front ender. Before I purchased the car. But that's how this side looks. Now I'm going to get into it and we'll start giving it a clean. Okay, that first run with the gurney has removed a lot of gunk. So I'm really happy with that. But still got to go through and do all the fine-tune cleaning, which I'm going to start doing now. So as you can see, the shocks have been leaking and putting a lot of gunk out. So what I'm going to do now is just go through with some soapy water and a brush and start cleaning it. And we'll have a quick look at the other side. And here's the passenger side. And here is the finished product. Couldn't be happier. It's come up really, really good. All the dirt and gunk is out. Now it's all ready for coilovers. So obviously this is the passenger side, driver's side, sorry. And we'll move over to the passenger side and have a look. Passenger side is just as good. A little bit of paint flake, but nothing that can't be sorted at some stage. So very, very happy. Nice and clean. So I'm going to leave it jacked up for now because I'm actually going to move on to the front ones. We're supposed to be getting some severe storms this afternoon, so I just want to focus on getting just the wheel wells done at this stage, then any painting of plastic trims like That one there, I can worry about that maybe tomorrow. Alright guys, I've moved on to the front passenger, as you can see, and it is absolutely horrid. Dead set horror show. That is filthy. This one's going to be lots of fun. Not. But for me, it's just all about taking my time and just working through it methodically, bit by bit, and getting it as clean as possible. And so we'll do that now. A big storm has just popped up right on the top of us. You might be able to hear the thunder. It's supposed to be not a good one, but anyway, we'll see. I'll keep going and doing as much as I can. Alright, I've just rolled out the HPS, the state-of-the-art hail protection system. So as you can see, the good old blankets and bed linen come in handy for, but hey, if it's golf ball size, it isn't going to matter. It's not going to do diddly squat, so the car's going to get destroyed anyway, but hey, it happens. Anyway, after this passes, I will move on and I'll start gurneying this. Actually, I might do it now. I'll just lift this up and I'll start gurneying this part out. Alright, well, I almost finished the passenger front wheel well, and then the storm decided to come back this way and started dropping some hail. So the hail is only about pea size and under. It's about a pea size, a bit bigger than a pea size, but hopefully it doesn't get much bigger than that. The hail has stopped for a second, so hopefully it's just swinging past, and we'll just get the fringe of it and we'll get some rain. So everything's on hold at the moment, so yeah, we'll see what happens. The wheel wells are done. They came up really nice. This is the front passenger. And what I've done, after I've given everything basically what I do is give everything a good wash down and brush. First I hit it with the gurney, then about 3 washes and brushes using the car wash mix. And then I do a couple of scrub downs with the degreaser. And then what I've done now is I've hit the plastics with some spray and wipe and a firm brush just to clean up any last little bits. So I think these have come up really, really good. Very happy with it. Let's take a look at the driver's side. That was the dirtiest. And here is the driver's side. This was pretty bad, but it's come up really, really good. Very, very happy with it. Once again, a little bit of Windex on the inside plastic trim, just to get any last remaining gunk off. So very happy with it. You can see the car's had a dingle, but we'll run over that in another stage where it's had a bit of patchwork done. But I'm very, very happy with it. Now I'm going to move on to the rear brakes and take those drums off and just clean out where the shoes are, and yeah, just going to hit that with some brake cleaner and a brush, and I might even get into these front calipers as well and just give them a quick clean up. Alright, that is it for today. I've run out of time, so all I've done is just brush the calipers down with a wire brush and hit it with a bit of brake cleaner just to get off any remaining crusties that might have got caught on there from doing all the cleaning. So that is it. I will show the other side quickly. And here is the driver's one. Same thing again, just a quick brush down, quick clean. Everything's looking good. Really happy with the results. Guys, thanks for watching. Next episode we'll be putting new rims, rubber and BC Racing coilovers onto this thing. So stay tuned and have a good week. Thanks guys.